Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a menu in Elementor. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to install Elementor, and after that go to plugin and search here Elements Kit, and also you have to install this plugin and activate, and after that open your website and then click on edit with Elementor. And now click on the settings icon and page layout, select here Elementor full width, and now you will be able to create a menu by clicking here, or you can create a menu using free template. So now I'm going to show you how to create a menu using Elements Kit free template. So click here and click on sections and hover over on category, and from here select header. So here we can see some header and I'm going to insert this one. So click on insert, and then here we can see header section has been added. Now click here and from here select main menu, and then here we can see menu has been added, and we can customize the menu width easily. So we can change the menu background color. Just select and click on this pencil style, and now we can change the menu item here. And if you want to edit the search icon and this icon, you can change it easily from here. So you can change the logo. So after that click on update. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.